Okay, what I'm going to do here is show you how you can use the football bet data dashboard and the exports that it can generate in conjunction with the first goal example file that we provide on the website. So we're going to be looking at the goal times in the output. As an advanced member, you'll be able to extract all of this that I'm going to show you. So we're going to use English Premier League. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to focus on the game tonight between Liverpool and Chelsea. Select all the predictions. We're not going to filter out by that. We just want to get the whole history for this season for Liverpool and Chelsea. So we're going to select 1920 and output this to Excel. And here's the export. So we're just going to filter for all home games played by Liverpool this season. So we have those games in the output. So just going to copy these to a new tab for the moment. We can exclude this top game because this is the game tonight against Chelsea, predicted for 2-1, hasn't been played yet. So we're going to take that one out and take the filter off, and we're going to filter for the away games for Chelsea. And we can exclude the top one. As I said, that's the game against Liverpool. So we now have in our output the full list of Liverpool's completed home games and Chelsea's away games. If we return back to the Football Bet Data website and go to the example downloads, you'll find the top one here is a file, Football Bet Data First Goal, which we're going to download and open. So we have the data here, and I'm just going to remove all of the info in here. And we're going to paste in the exported data. So we go right across to column BT. Most of these columns aren't used in this analysis that we're doing, but we'll paste the full data range in there. I'm just going to do a bit of tidy up here. So what we're going to be looking at is how you can potentially identify value bets in the first goal market. So the example download breaks goal times into 10-minute intervals, starting on the 10, the 20, the 30. Now, the betting markets usually do 1 to 10, 11 to 20. So I'm just going to amend these somewhat, just so they align with how the betting markets operate. I'm going to refresh this pivot table and add everything in. I'm going to take out the blanks. I'm just going to sort that. So here we have the goal time. So this is a breakdown of all the goals, whether scored or conceded, for Liverpool at home and Chelsea away this season. So you can see that in the 0 to 10 goal bracket, 13 times the first goal has been scored in that time bracket, 7 in the 11 to 20 minute mark, and then 3 for 21 to 13, so on. So what we want to do is work out the percentage here. So I'm going to focus on total, which is cell CC9. I can just freeze that. So what I can do is now drag that down, and if I show you, it converts as a percentage. To get it as a percentage, you can then convert to odds. So you do sum of 1 divided by the percentage, and that gives you the true odds of likelihood. What I'm going to do in the cell next to it is pump in the odds that were available on the betting market just before kickoff. And as we work our way down, you can see there's no goals been scored in the 50 to 60 or 51 to 60 or 61 to 70. and 81 full time, so 25. So you can see here where we've got odds being given by the bookmaker or the betting exchange higher than the calculated true odds. You could say that that is a value bet. You see, for the 11 to 20 minute market, it's pretty much cock on. 21 to 30, bookmaker or the betting exchange are giving lower odds than what's available, or sorry, what should be available given the small sample. And this is just a demonstration video of how you can use the output. And you can see that these two here also look like they're value bets on this sample given. So this quick video again was just intended to show you how you can use the output. All the calculations are already built in, so you just need to do the output and paste. Change these just to align with how the bookmakers display the markets, because that 1 minute is crucial. And then you can start to see where there potentially is value to back or value to lay. Doesn't mean that every occasion going to be right. So in this instance, actually the game's underway, and I can see that Liverpool's did score the first goal, and it was in the 21st to 30 minute mark. So that would have that indicates to us that it's underpriced. So potentially would have been a lay. But as it turns out in this instance, that was the winning score, the winning bracket for the first goal within that game. So it's not going to generate you a 100% bulletproof system. What it's helping to do is use past data to potentially identify where the likelihood of a goal being scored, or the first goal being scored, is going to occur in that game. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to posting another video soon.